Here's a prediction. In 2026, you won't need a degree to get ahead. What you will need are the right AI tools. And if you're looking to make money, even if you're starting from absolute zero, I've got you covered. Here are 5 essential AI tools you should be using right now. First up, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal AI brain for literally everything. ChatGPT can write incredible content, video scripts, persuasive emails, high-converting ads, professional resumes, and even detailed business plans. People are already using it to build freelance careers, launch marketing agencies, and run entire online businesses from their laptops. Seriously, if you can type a sentence, you can earn with ChatGPT. It's that powerful. Next, let's talk about design with Canva. Forget spending years learning design software. Canva. AI lets you create stunning logos, eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube, social media posts that go viral, and sleek presentations in just minutes. People are making a full-time income by selling these designs to businesses and content creators every single day. The best part, you need absolutely no design experience to get started. Third on the list is CapCut AI, the secret to making money with faceless videos. This tool is it can turn a simple line of text into a professional-looking video automatically. Creators are running hugely successful faceless YouTube channels and TikTok pages using only AI-generated content. Imagine this. Your content is working for you, earning you money, even while you sleep. That's the power of automation. Now, let's double down on video with tools like Pictree or InVideo. These are AI video automation powerhouses. They take a script you've written maybe with ChatGPT and transform it into a complete video with a realistic voiceover, perfectly matched visuals, and automatic captions. This is the gold standard for YouTube automation channels, creating video ads, and scaling a content agency. A single video can be repurposed and monetized across different platforms, turning it into multiple streams of income. Finally, number 5. AI chatbots. For businesses, this is where you can build recurring revenue. Businesses will gladly pay you a monthly fee for an AI chatbot that handles their customer service automatically, 24/7. It answers questions, books appointments, and helps customers, freeing up the business owner's time. Setting up just one chatbot can earn you a reliable income every single month. Set up a FAU, and you've built a truly scalable business. Now, let's be real. Just having these AI tools won't magically make you rich. But here's the secret. Learning how to use them effectively before everyone else catches on. That's what will give you the unfair advantage. The year 2026 will belong to the people who embrace AI early. The choice is yours. Start now and lead the way, or get left playing catch-up later. The time to act is now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to win with AI.